This is Laya Gavin with Team EXIT Realty Sun City, and I am the licensed broker and hiring manager for Team EXIT Realty Sun City, part of the EXIT Realty Place office. And I've got a couple of guests with me here today that I wanted to have join us. I've got Don Buxton and Craig Gallegos from Fairway Mortgage, and they work together. So talk to me about what's available for the senior buyer who may be relocating here from another part of the country, or maybe selling a current home but wants to buy their next one. What kind of creative options do we have?
That's an awesome and excellent question right now.
Well, one thing that we've seen, we've been doing a lot of home equity conversion mortgages, which on the street is known as a reverse. It's a great tool for seniors to purchase a home that they might not be able to. Let's just say if you have someone who's up in Minnesota, they sell their home, they want to move to our lovely valley here, and they're going to clear $200,000 for what they sold. Now, It's really hard, and you know this better than we do. It's hard to find a great home right now for the $200,000 area, and you're going to be going against a lot of other purchasers, buyers.
Right.
There's going to be a lot of demand for that. So multiple offer situations. So what if there was a way where they could purchase a home for $300,000 or $350,000, depending on their age, or even $400,000, and never have a mortgage payment moving forward using just that $200,000? So it's a wonderful tool. If you haven't heard about it, if you have buyers that haven't heard about that, we have tons of information that can help them make that decision, because right now, with rates where they are, prices where they are, it's a great tool. It's a great tool.
Right.
And especially think about this. Some people might think is, I have that $200,000 I sold my house for, but I really want this $300,000. I'm going to pull my money from my 401k or my retirement.
Right.
Gosh, look what's happened to the markets in the last just 2 weeks.
Sure.
They shouldn't pull it out right now. And again, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a CPA, but I would think that if you leave that money there, it's got a better chance to grow than if you pull it out, it has no chance to grow. So it's a great tool, and it should be looked at for anyone over 62.
They've made 20 years ago, the reverse mortgages got such a bad reputation, and I think that still sticks with a lot of people today. But they have made dramatic changes, dramatic improvements to protect our seniors as we move into retirement. And there's a lot of buyers out there who are going to move into retirement that won't have enough Social Security to pay for a home, make a house payment, and do anything else.
Right.
So we're using the reverse mortgage, the HECM that Craig talked about, as a way to help our seniors have those years truly be golden years, where they don't have to worry about a house payment, that it's covered through their HECM mortgage, and they can still go do some other things when we're allowed to.
I'm not sure about you, but I know I would much rather have $1,500 or $2,000 a month to do whatever I want versus writing that check to the mortgage company.
Yeah.
Oh, absolutely.
Anyway,
Absolutely.
So we'll do these Zoom meetings. We'll do them with you, with clients, with their financial advisors. We'll answer questions. Craig is completely certified in the reverse mortgage process. We have a full division that does nothing but reverse. And Fairway is working really, really hard to help our seniors retire better.
Our whole goal is to change the way retirement's done in America.
Yeah.
With those. So that's a great question. I hope we answered it.
Oh, you did. And you answered more, because I was thinking that there's been such a stigma about, reverse mortgages, because years ago, people were getting all these things done, and then it was like the gotcha. Once they were in there, then they found out the pieces behind it. But like you said, I know so much has changed in the recent years to fix that, to help protect seniors. So I'm glad you brought that up. And I think my follow-up question on that would be, can they use that whether it's a resale property or a new build, or is that strictly for resale?
Absolutely.
Either one.
Either one?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
I got people I need
Fantastic.
you to talk to. The wheels are turning right now.
Yeah.
Absolutely. It's such a good program and such a great way to help our seniors. We just gave one, Craig just gave one to my mom. So now hers wasn't a purchase, hers is a refinance, but it's just a great financial tool to help our seniors in retirement.
Yeah.
We're going to do one.
Yeah.
When we turn 62, we're going to do one. So,
in 30 years, when I turn 62, then I can get one as well.
Absolutely. Now, one other question I'll ask you, because I'm sure somebody will be seeing this and they'll be like, you know what, I live in California, but I saw that you guys are in Arizona. Can you still answer my questions and help me out?
Absolutely. Craig and I are licensed in California, Nevada, Arizona, Wisconsin. So we can help in a variety of areas.
Excellent.
And if they're in a location where we aren't licensed, Fairway is a nationwide mortgage banker. So if you have clients or family or friends in other areas, we're happy to refer them to someone who's local in their area, who will be able to give them the best, most reliable, and most valid information for that geographical area. Yeah. We're happy to do that.
For sure.
Okay. Fantastic.